Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that are ready to hit the road and capture every moment of your journey. On the left side we have the OMBAR dash cam, and on the right side we have the E-YEEGER Dash Cam WiFi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera. Let's buckle up and dive into the comparisons. Alright, let's talk about the most important feature of a dash cam video quality. The OMBAR dash cam boasts a front UHD 4K resolution, capturing every detail on the road, while the E-YEEGER dash cam offers a 2.40p resolution. Now, I don't know about you, but I want my dash cam to capture every little thing, even the tiny bug that hits my windshield. So in terms of video quality, it's a clear win for the OMBAR dash cam. Picture this. You're driving at night and suddenly a UFO lands in front of your car. Okay, maybe not a UFO, but you get the idea. You want a dash cam that can handle low light conditions like a pro. The OMBAR dash cam comes equipped with super night vision technology, ensuring clear footage even in the darkest of nights. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam also offers night vision with its f1.8 aperture. But let's be honest, who doesn't want superpowers? So in terms of night vision, the OMBAR dash cam takes the spotlight. Now let's talk about connectivity. The OMBAR dash cam comes with built-in 5G Wi-Fi, allowing you to easily control the dash cam through the Cam app on your phone. Plus, it has GPS to record your driving route and speed. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam also offers Wi-Fi connectivity, but it doesn't support live viewing on your phone from home. So, if you want to be in control and have all the features at your fingertips, the OMBAR dash cam is the way to go. Dash cams are like little black boxes for your car, capturing everything that happens on the road. So you want to make sure you have enough storage for all those crazy moments. The OMBAR dash cam comes with a 64GB TF card provided, with the option to expand up to a whopping 512GB. That's like having your own personal cloud storage in your car. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam comes with a free 32GB SD card, which is still decent, but it falls short when compared to the OMBAR dash cam storage capacity. Last but not least, let's talk about design. The OMBAR dash cam has a sleek and modern design that seamlessly blends into your car's interior. It's like having a secret agent right on your dashboard. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam also has a compact and hidden design, ensuring it doesn't obstruct your view while driving. Both cameras have their own unique style, so it's a tie in terms of design. In terms of video quality, night vision, connectivity, and storage, the OMBAR dash cam takes the lead. But hey, both cameras have their own strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the OMBAR dash cam and the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera. In terms of video quality, night vision, connectivity, and storage, the OMBAR dash cam takes the lead. But hey, both cameras have their own strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences. Remember, always do your research and make an informed decision. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video. Safe travels!